They're going to put you in fast frame now as I work through the rest of this bucket. And once I have this bucket clean, do a clean out and see if we're on the gold. That'll be our bulk test. As I say, we've done 12 shovels, whatever that weighs in kilos, I couldn't care less. But we ran 12 shovels, that's the main thing. Right, so I'm just taking you out of fast frame for a second because there's something yellow on the mat. And the time it's taken me to turn off fast frame and pull you out of the tripod, it's still there. I really hope this is gold. Certainly does look like gold, and it's still sitting there. We'll find out in the clean out. Oh, this could be a fun clean out or a miserable clean out. Either way, we'll find out the truth once and for all. Is there gold here? So we took 12 shovels and we screened them down to 1/8 inch, and we were left with half a bucket. We took that half bucket material and we put it through the sluice box, and this is what we're left with. I'm going to lift the entire sluice box out of the river. There we go. Okay, there's the mat there, nice and good. Fold the mat over itself and we give it a good wash. Next we need to do is wash the actual box itself. Very simple. Pop it in. Mat was cleaned out beforehand. Now that's how I can clean it in future. I'll grab the pan and we'll go see what we can find. Okay, so I tipped out a good bit of water before I sat down because I knew I wouldn't be able to do it from this position. Okay, very simple. Throw water up into the top. This pan has been cleaned. The sluice box was cleaned. The riffle pack were cleaned. So we're on black sand, which is good. Now don't forget, we ran 12 shovels from that hole. Okay, and here's your story. I'll do reclamation on this. I couldn't leave it sitting like this. I'll just do one more and then we'll do the reveal. Again, I haven't bothered salting. I want to know what's here just as much as you do. Just to be 100% certain. Because I did see a few flecks that looked like gold in there. Nope, nada. So in conclusion, is there a stack load of gold here? Probably. Is it near the surface? No. Is it easy to get to? No. Will I be coming back here tomorrow? No. Will I be back here in the depths of winter when all of the rivers are closed and there's mountains of water and I can set up the dream mat and plough through everything, get a 50 shovel test? Yes, I probably will. So this video will be released in October. It's now June. I'll probably be back here around October. We're able to get a good bit down. Who knows, a different day I might just create another dam and push all the water off to the other side and just dig and stockpile. So maybe a different day I'll stockpile about 100 shovels. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed today's video of whatever I happen to call it at the editing stage. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I previously posted and the ones I'll be posting in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and sure, catch you next week. We'll all go find more shiny. Bye bye.